For homeowners seeking slider window installation, League City TX, the right fit starts with local precision and durable materials. From new slider windows, League City homes, to full slider window replacement, League City projects, professionally installed horizontal sliding windows. League City improve ventilation, views, and daily function. A trusted slider window company, League City TX, can recommend vinyl slider windows League City, custom slider windows League City, and residential slider windows League City designed for homes near Clear Creek, League Park, and the Gulf Freeway area. With League City TX slider window experts handling measurements and installation, homeowners get dependable results built for long-term performance. Energy performance is a major reason many families choose energy-efficient slider windows League City for modern home upgrades. Energy-efficient slider windows in League City TX help reduce solar heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility costs in neighborhoods. Double-pane slider windows. League City and insulated slider windows. League City offer excellent thermal control, while slider window sealing. League City and slider window weatherproofing League City help stop drafts and moisture intrusion. For waterfront properties and Bay Area homes, storm-resistant slider windows. League City Texas Coast Solutions add another layer of protection and efficiency. Maintenance is essential for extending the life of any window system in a humid Gulf Coast climate. Slider Windows League City Services maintenance help keep frames, rollers, screens, and locks working properly in homes near waterfront areas, suburban neighborhoods, and high-traffic corridors. League City maintenance services homes often include cleaning tracks, adjusting rollers, checking seals, and identifying early signs of corrosion or water intrusion. With regular slider window weatherproofing League City and slider window sealing League City, homeowners can avoid larger replacement bills later. This kind of preventive care supports better efficiency, easier operation, and more reliable year-round performance. Custom designs are ideal for homeowners who want a polished look that matches the architecture of their property. Custom slider windows near Marina Bay Drive, League City, are a popular choice for renovated homes, upscale residences, and remodeled living spaces needing exact sizing and style flexibility. Modern slider windows League City also complement contemporary interiors with slim profiles, clean lines, and wide glass areas. For buyers wanting home slider window upgrades, League City Bay Area, options may include impact-resistant slider windows, League City, tinted glass, upgraded locks, and premium finishes. These custom solutions help create a more refined and functional living environment. For coastal resilience, impact slider window replacement. League City Coastal Homes is a smart investment in security and durability. Properties exposed to high winds, storms, and airborne debris benefit from impact-resistant slider windows League City built for demanding conditions. Along the League City waterfront near South Shore Harbor and throughout the Texas coast, insulated slider window installation. League City TX Homes supports both storm readiness and interior comfort. Combined with double-pane slider windows, League City Gulf Freeway area recommendations, these products help reduce outside noise, improve structural performance, and provide lasting value for homeowners who want stronger window systems. Affordability matters, and affordable slider windows. League City options make quality upgrades accessible for many local households. Homeowners comparing affordable slider windows near FM 518 League City TX can choose from standard and upgraded vinyl systems that balance cost, efficiency, and durability. A reliable residential slider window company, League City TX, can guide customers through materials, glass packages, frame colors, and installation schedules that fit their goals and budget. From basic residential slider windows League City to premium insulated slider windows League City, there are cost-effective solutions for starter homes, family homes, and investment properties throughout League City, Texas. Finding the right team makes a major difference in the outcome of any project. Best slider window installers. League City are known for accurate measurements, clean workmanship, and responsive communication from consultation through final inspection. Local slider window contractors. League City, Harris County area, and experienced slider window contractors. League City understand the specific weather conditions, permitting expectations, and home styles found across the region. Whether searching for slider window replacement near League City or slider window installation, working with League City TX slider window experts ensures a smoother process. Many homeowners also look for the best slider window company near League Park League City TX for trusted neighborhood service.